Assalamualaikum. Thank you for being here today. I am Hajar Akhtar Bithi from Cosmo School. I am here today to talk to you subject ICT for the student of class 7. Our today topic is chapter 3, safe and ethical use. The main point of this video are sensible use of internet, obsession and copyright. This chapter is about safe use of internet. Nowadays, internet is the most important thing. You will use internet for various purposes. Even you are attending this class using internet. So it is very important to know to safely and ethically use internet. So in order to do that, you have to aware of some fact. These are be careful when using internet. If you use something unconsciously, you have to face various problems. For this, you need to know the proper use of internet. Stay away from dangerous websites. There are various types of websites we can visit through internet. Educational, news, etc. are good websites where you may easily visit, but there are some also filthy websites too. You may never visit. Do not giving your identity to stranger. Identity means your name, password, photo, ID, etc. You must not give it to anybody. Do not be obsessed with others. Internet is a big platform. People can use it freely. So never harm anybody, never cross your limit. Visit age-appropriate website. Age is an important factor for every conduct and practice. For example, you may prefer something but others don't. Same, anything unsuitable for your age can come across you through internet. You should avoid it. Or from friendship and friendship with unknown person. There are many types of people who are using internet. Some are good, some are bad. You should be careful before choosing someone for friends. I want to remind you of some crucial facts while using internet. Must follow the 3 instructions. Use internet in front of others. You should not give your name, address, picture or password to any unacquainted person. Be friendly while using internet. Next slide is obsession. We have to use internet for educational and useful purpose, but internet can be harmful too if you get obsessed with it. And by obsession, I mean this, something that you think about all the time. It's become an obsession. For example, playing games all day, watching cartoon 24 hours, eating only particular food. The children can not only be obsessed with cartoon or computer games, but also be addicted to a particular food. For example, a woman of Britain eats nothing except pizza. She has been eating since 31 years at breakfast, lunch and dinner. It's an addiction. Once the word addiction was used to describe the habit of gambling and abusing drugs. Now the excessive use of computer is regarded as an addiction. Using social media. Social media means Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. A new kind of obsession of young generation is using social media for communication. Addiction or obsession is harmful for our mental and physical health. It can destroy someone. Now I want to tell you about some bad impact of addiction in our life, like as feeling of guilty, anxiety, depression, dishonesty, euphoric feeling when in front of the computer, unable to keep schedule, no sense of time, defensiveness, avoiding doing work, hesitation. So, these are the problems of addiction. But how do we get rid of addiction if somehow get addicted? There are some ways that how we can get rid of addiction. These are choose outdoor activities over technology like as playing cricket. Create project for yourself. That means you can prepare a proper timetable for work. Whenever get free time, you can read books. It increases our knowledge. Communication with family. Stay focused on your works. That means complete the other essential work including study. Self-control. Self-control means block out distracting website for a set amount of time. Using internet not more than 1 hour. In conclusion, I just wanna say one simple thing. We definitely will use device, internet and all other useful technologies, but we will never let them use us. We are never to be used. Now, a different topic. Asset. We all have some asset. Asset is something we have or we possess. There are two types of asset. Temporal asset, intellectual asset. Temporal asset includes money, living house, transport, food, material things, etc. Intellectual asset includes recite poetry, movies, sketch, paint, music, etc. Copyright. It is a type of intellectual property that provides exclusive publication, distribution and uses right for the author. Copyright protecting an author work. Law of copyright. Copyright protection varies country to country. At first, in 1962, the Licensing of the Press Act was passed in the Parliament of the United Kingdom. It affects 100 years after the individual's death depending on the country, but usually until 50 to 70 years after the death of the writer, artist or playwright. In Bangladesh, under the clause of the Copyright Act of 2000, its duration is 60 years. Copyright. As I said earlier, whatever content the author created cannot be used or published in anyone else without the consent of the author, that is copyright. Copyleft. Copyleft distinguished from copyright. In simple words, when the creator of creative work happily allow everyone to copy his work. Creative Commons. Creative Commons stay in between copyright and copyleft. Creative Commons is an internationally active, non-profit organization that provides free license for creators to use when making their work available to the public. The license helps the creator to give permission for others to use the work in advance under certain. Open philosophy. The writer, artist, programmer can free their creative piece on some terms and conditions. It is called open philosophy or open source philosophy. Open source software. The computer software being operated under the regulation of open source philosophy are called open source software. For example, Mozilla Firefox. Fair use. Fair use means that permits limited use of copyright without paying fee. It is legal. The idea of fair use originally written works, but digital technology and the internet, fair use has sometimes been applied to the redistribution of musical works, photographs, video and computer programs. Piracy. When a creative work reproduces breaking the Copyright Act, it is called piracy. Piracy is illegal. No more today. Thank you for being here.